Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to access the Discord application and it shows a fatal JavaScript error occurred. So how to fix this issue? So very simple method to fix this issue is just uninstall that existing Discord application from your Windows PC. So by simply open your control panel. So and then go to programs and features. So here you can locate the Discord application and then click to uninstall it. So once you uninstall your Discord application, just close all the settings window and then open your local drive C. So here you can click to access users folder, but before going to access this folder, first of all enable all the hidden files from this drive. So how to do it? So now in this section you can go to view tab and then click to enable this option hidden items. So it shows me all the hidden files from this drive. So now you can click to access this users folder. So and then I try to access my Windows username folder and the first one. So here you can locate app data folder and then click to open it. So and it shows three folders. So first I try to access local folder and the first one. So and then locate the Discord folder and then click to delete this folder. So once you delete this folder and then go back to the one step. So now this time you can click to access roaming folder. So same way you can locate the Discord folder and then click to delete it. So once you done this processes, just close all the settings window and don't forget to restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed, now I try to fresh install this Discord application. And it starts to installing, so be patient. So finally you can see, now this time my Discord application is successfully opening and it does not show any other error notifications. So this is the way you can easily fix your Discord fatal JavaScript error notification by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechAns, and thanks for watching.